Hey, this is Don Sherman. I'm gonna make Tom Yum Goong, that's Tom Yum seafood with steamed fish and chicken cake all at once by using my iCook wok. I got all my ingredients ready down here, but first I'll make the chicken cake. I got my minced chicken ready right here. Season the chicken first. Pepper, salt, a little bit of fish sauce and coriander leaves, and mix it further. Now I got the lemongrass sticks. That's the additional flavor, and of course this is gonna be the stick to hold the chicken cake. Get the minced chicken and roll it around the lemongrass stick. There we go. 2. You get the flavor of the lemongrass into the chicken as well, and once it's done you can hold the chicken cake with the stick. That's my chicken cake. So easy. Ready to go. Now I'm gonna prepare the fish for steaming and season the fish. I got tomato slices and lemon slices as well. So I'm gonna add them into the slits which I made already. So simply add them like this. And of course some coriander leaves and some salt, pepper, and a bit of fish sauce on top. Beautiful, it's done. Now we're going to assemble everything and do the right combination with iCook wok. Since we are making the Tom Yum seafood soup, I got the Tom Yum paste. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons. And then you simply add 4 cups of water by mixing the paste nicely. There we go. Beautiful. Then add your seafood nicely, prawns, and a little bit of garlic cloves, rings of calamari, just a handful, some onions cut into chunks, mushrooms cut into 4, and I want to add little tomatoes as well, and I want to give a little bit of spiciness to my Tom Yum seafood soup, so that I add just 1 each long green chilies and red chilies, just chop like this. Yes, wow. 1, 2, that's it. So everything is ready to go. Add a little bit of pepper and fish sauce. Soup is ready to go. Let's add 1 stick of lemongrass into the soup as well. Now I have my steamer rack to steam the fish and the chicken cake. And place the fish on the steamer rack, and then the chicken cakes inside. Beautiful, look at this. Simply close the lid and bring it to boil. So we are doing the steaming and boiling together. So once it's boiled, reduce the heat and simmer for a few minutes. Your soup, fish and chicken cake done! Wow, spinning the lids means that it's boiling. Perfect. Look at this one. Awesome. That's the name of the game, right? Okay, now we reduce the heat and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. 4 minutes gone, your soup is ready. And of course, steamed fish and chicken cake all together. Let's see, the moment of truth. Woo! Wow, look at the beauty of this one. Let's take the chicken cake first. All right, let's take the fish out. Wow, look at this. Perfect combination. All right, let's look at the soup. Take the steam wrap out carefully and see how the texture. Beautiful. So good. What a great family dish that you can prepare in minutes. But what's important is all together at once. Garnish with some chili flakes on top, and finally some coriander leaves. Tom Yum seafood soup, steamed fish and chicken cake. Look at this, comes with a lemongrass stick. That's amazing. I like it. You can try the same with iCook wok.